Colored mascara is the perfect way to add a pop of fun and creativity to your makeup routine. If you're looking to experiment with different hues and make your lashes stand out in unique ways, colored mascaras are a great option. In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best colored mascaras available in this year. We'll explore their features, benefits, and how they can enhance your eye makeup look. Whether you want bold blues or vibrant greens, these mascaras offer a range of exciting options. Kicking off our list at number 1, L'Oréal Paris Cobalt Blue Mascara. The L'Oréal Paris Cobalt Blue Mascara is a standout in the world of colored mascaras, offering a rich and vibrant blue color that's perfect for anyone looking to make a bold statement. Known for its long-lasting formulas and high-quality performance, L'Oréal delivers a mascara that not only enhances your lashes but adds a striking pop of color to your eye makeup. Key features: this mascara is formulated with a special blend of pigments that give a deep, vibrant cobalt blue shade that lasts all day. The brush features a tapered design, allowing for precise application from the root to the tip of every lash. Its buildable formula allows for layering, creating volume and length while maintaining the rich blue color. Additionally, the formula is infused with nourishing ingredients that care for your lashes. Benefits and usage: L'Oréal's Cobalt Blue Mascara is perfect for anyone who wants to experiment with colored lashes while maintaining a sophisticated look. The cobalt blue shade works well with both neutral and bold eyeshadow looks, providing an eye-catching contrast that's not too overpowering. It's great for those who want to enhance their natural eye color or add some drama to their makeup routine. Whether you're going for a subtle wash of color or a bold, intense blue, this mascara is versatile for different looks. Usability: the brush of the L'Oréal Paris Cobalt Blue Mascara makes it easy to apply, even for beginners. It glides on smoothly and doesn't clump, ensuring that each lash is evenly coated. The formula is lightweight, so you can layer it without worrying about the mascara becoming too heavy. The precision of the brush also helps in defining each lash, giving you a clean and well-separated look. Durability: this mascara has impressive staying power, keeping the cobalt blue color vibrant all day long without smudging or flaking. It's not waterproof, but holds up well against humidity and sweat. You can rely on it to maintain your bold lash look from morning to night. Removal is easy with your standard makeup remover or micellar water, so you don't need to worry about any harsh scrubbing. In the second spot, we have Maybelline Mascara. Maybelline is a well-known brand for delivering high-quality mascaras, and their colored mascara offerings are no exception. With a wide range of shades, including striking purples, greens, and blues, Maybelline provides a fun and affordable way to experiment with colored lashes. This mascara is perfect for those who want to add a touch of color to their everyday makeup routine. Key features: Maybelline's colored mascara is available in multiple vibrant shades, each with a richly pigmented formula that provides full coverage with just one coat. The brush is designed to separate and coat every lash, giving you a voluminous, defined look. The formula is also enriched with conditioning ingredients to nourish your lashes while giving them the pop of color you desire. Benefits and usage: the Maybelline Colored Mascara is ideal for anyone looking to add some fun and creativity to their lashes without a complicated application process. The bold shades are perfect for those who want to experiment with color but still need a mascara that offers volume and length. Whether you're going for a colorful daytime look or something more dramatic for the evening, this mascara is a great choice for versatility. Usability: Maybelline's colored mascara is designed for easy application with its precise wand that helps prevent clumping and ensures even coverage. It's buildable, so you can add multiple coats for more intensity, or keep it light for a subtle hint of color. The formula doesn't feel heavy or stiff, so your lashes remain soft and flexible throughout the day. Durability: while this mascara isn't waterproof, it has impressive wear time, staying vibrant and intact throughout the day. The formula resists smudging, so you can rely on it to keep your lashes looking great without any touch-ups. When it's time to remove it, the mascara comes off easily with a gentle makeup remover, without leaving any residue behind. Coming in at number 3 is the Pacifica Mascara. Pacifica's colored mascara offers a unique and eco-friendly way to add a pop of color to your lashes. Known for their natural beauty products, Pacifica delivers a vegan and cruelty-free mascara that's designed to enhance your lashes with a bold splash of color. If you're looking for a mascara that's kind to your lashes and the planet, this one's for you. Key features: this mascara features a high-pigment formula that comes in an array of vibrant colors, from electric blue to bright purple. The mascara is enriched with nourishing ingredients like coconut oil and vitamin B to keep your lashes healthy and hydrated. The brush is designed for easy application, allowing you to coat every lash without clumping or smudging. Benefits and usage: Pacifica Colored Mascara is perfect for anyone who wants a natural yet vibrant look. The rich color adds a playful touch to any makeup routine, while the nourishing ingredients help care for your lashes throughout the day. This mascara is great for those who want a pop of color without sacrificing lash health, making it ideal for daily wear or special occasions. Usability: the formula glides on smoothly and evenly, thanks to the flexible brush that coats each lash without causing clumps. It's also buildable, so you can layer it for a more intense color payoff. The mascara doesn't flake or smudge, providing a long-lasting and flawless look. Its lightweight formula ensures that your lashes remain soft and flexible throughout the day. Durability: Pacifica's colored mascara offers decent staying power, with the color remaining vibrant for most of the day. While it's not waterproof, it resists smudging and flaking, making it a reliable choice for everyday wear. Removal is easy, as the formula comes off effortlessly with a gentle makeup remover, ensuring your lashes stay healthy. Taking our fourth spot is Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara. The Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara is a cult favorite known for its unique formula that gives lashes a bold, voluminous look with a hint of color. While this mascara is primarily designed for lengthening and volumizing, its colored versions bring a creative twist to your everyday lash routine. Perfect for adding vibrancy to your eyes without sacrificing performance, Eyeko offers a great option for those looking to try colored lashes with a professional finish. Key features: this mascara is designed with a specially shaped brush that helps lift, separate, and lengthen each lash. The formula includes ingredients that enhance lash health, including conditioning agents and caffeine to stimulate lash growth. The colored versions of this mascara are richly pigmented, offering subtle yet noticeable color that's perfect for making your eyes pop. Benefits and usage: Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara is great for those looking to add a touch of color to their lashes without compromising on volume or length. The brush helps create a full, dramatic lash look while the formula nourishes and strengthens. The color payoff is ideal for those who want a wearable yet vibrant option for daily wear. Usability: the mascara applies smoothly, with the brush providing excellent control and separation. It's easy to layer, allowing you to build up the color and volume as desired. The mascara doesn't clump, and the flexible brush ensures that it's easy to reach every lash, even the smallest ones. It's also lightweight, so your lashes stay soft and natural looking. Durability: Eyeko Lash Alert Mascara offers great wear time, keeping your lashes curled, voluminous, and colorful throughout the day. The formula resists smudging and flaking, making it ideal for long hours of wear. It's not waterproof, but it holds up well against light humidity. Removal is easy and doesn't require harsh rubbing. And finally, at number 5, we have Revlon Mega Multiplier Mascara. Revlon Mega Multiplier Mascara is known for its ability to amplify lashes with volume, length, and curl, and it now comes in a range of bold colors that make it perfect for those looking to try something new. Revlon's colored mascara is ideal for those who want dramatic, eye-catching lashes that still maintain a natural feel. Key features: this mascara features a fiber-enhanced formula that helps build volume and length while giving your lashes a natural lift. The brush has a unique design that allows for easy application and separation of lashes, giving you a voluminous and defined look. The rich, vibrant colored formulas are designed to add a bold touch to your eyes without compromising on lash health. Benefits and usage: Revlon Mega Multiplier Colored Mascara is great for those who want to add a punch of color without losing out on volume and curl. The colored formula gives a fun twist to your everyday mascara, providing an easy way to experiment with different hues. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their eye makeup with a colorful, dramatic look. Usability: the Revlon Mega Multiplier Mascara is easy to apply, thanks to the flexible brush that coats each lash evenly. The formula is buildable, so you can layer it for more intensity or keep it light for a softer look. The mascara doesn't clump or flake, giving you smooth, defined lashes with each application. Durability: this mascara has excellent staying power, holding up well throughout the day without smudging or flaking. It's not waterproof, but offers great resistance against humidity and sweat. It removes easily with makeup remover or micellar water, so you don't have to worry about any leftover product. Finding the perfect colored mascara can be a fun way to express your style and elevate your makeup look. Whether you're going for a vibrant blue, green, or purple, these 5 mascaras offer a variety of options that not only add color but also enhance your lashes with volume, length, and curl. Each mascara brings something unique to the table, making it easier to experiment with colors while maintaining healthy, beautiful lashes. Let us know which colored mascara you're excited to try in the comments below.